Hello, my name is Brian Ropp and I'm here with Luxe Fifth Wheels. We are in front of a 46 FB toy hauler. This toy hauler is going to have a few features in it that we are able to tailor or tweak for you on it. This is a very exciting 2-bed, 2-bath customized for this client. So from the inside to the outside, you'll see that the decor is going to be pretty neutral. A nice, beautiful, neutral palette from the inside onto the outside. It's a nice full body automotive paint, and we'll go inside and kind of talk about a few of the features that might differ from our traditional builds, along with a lot of what we do as a standard feature. But come on in. So just inside the door here, I've got our in-command panel. This is going to run all of the operations of the coach. It's nicely housed inside this cabinet so that it blends in to your other decor throughout. So you're going to be able to run all your interior lights from an app on your phone. In addition, slide rooms, etc. Pretty much your whole command panel is going to be here. We've got your breaker boxes, residential grade breaker boxes for your 110 and your fuses. I'm going to go ahead and shut this door for us. Nice solid door. This particular model has soft touch walls in it, so it's going to help sound dampening. It's the newer white wall interior that we do, very clean look. It's just a nice feature that we have multiple colors of, that you can really play with colors and make it work for you. This model has a front bath in it, so you're immediately going to be stepping into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is going to be a king bed, nightstands with doors, reading lights. You've got storage under the bed as well. This one has our vanity slide, which is going to be that additional slide room here. They opted to have drawers in it. You can do traditional cabinets as well. This is just going to give you a little bit more walking space. I think it's approximately 18 inches, but it helps when you're getting ready in the morning. Stepping into the front bath, this is going to be more of your master suite area. So the standard on the 46 FB is going to be a dual sink up front. This client wanted to opt for the washer dryer up here, which you can absolutely do. However, you will lose that second dual sink. We've got storage on the opposite side next to your shower. Wherever we can, we try and do that for you. We've got a residential paneled shower with a rain glass shower door with a teak ledge. Stepping into the full walk-in closet, you've got storage all the way around. We've got dressers on both sides and a shoe rack in the rear, or in the front of the cab. All of our passage doors, main doors, pretty much everything in this coach is going to be a solid hard wood. So with your doors from your closet to your bedroom to your bathroom, it's a complete solid core door. There's no hollow core doors in anything that we build. It's really just talk about and exhibit some of the luxury features that we have. And really, you don't want to hear what's going on in your living room when you're trying to sleep at night. So let's head into the living room. The decor that she picked makes this whole space nice, open, airy, clean. She did a very nice job. We did also do a couple tweaks to the design. So this is a toy hauler, but as you look back, you'll see that vapor door is missing. We did a traditional passage door to close off that area for a separate bedroom. On the living room slide, we deleted the overhead cabinets and made the large windows here. So there's no overheads on this side. It makes that whole area very wide open. Lots of vista that you could see as you're camping. We've got the Lambrite furniture upgrade. This is a theater seat with recliners. Has a center fold down console. You've also got a love seat in the rear. We've got a televator in here, which is an option to do, so the whole TV raises up. But one benefit of this is when you're not using the television, you have another surface here. You've also got an additional set of windows, again, to open up this space. You've got a 5,000 BTU fireplace with a sound bar. Those are LG appliances, storage above. Full pantry. This is not your only pantry in this model. So it's got pull-out drawers in the base with adjustable shelves above. Next to the actual peninsula area, I've got another giant full pantry. This is the great benefit of this floor plan, is all that extra storage in the kitchen. Got an LG residential fridge with the French door pull-out. I've got a dishwasher on this model, your Fisher & Paykel dishwasher. Got your nice silverware pull-out. All of our doors and drawers are going to be soft close. All your doors themselves are going to be mortise and tenon grooved. The drawers will be dovetailed on all of the corners with actual real wood bottoms. We'll do undermount drawer glides. Again, you can see they're soft close, just to help support a lot of that weight, and it doesn't cut down on your side-to-side storage. You've got sink covers for your sink. This one is optioned with a dual composite, multiple colors to choose from there. You've got real residential glass tile on your backsplash. Lots of drawers and storage here in the kitchen. This is that secondary pantry that I was speaking about. Area for spices and miscellaneous kitchen materials. I've got a wine cooler optioned in this coach. I believe it holds 9 bottles of wine. 24-inch range, it is an Insignia range. We can do a 30 as well. Convection microwave. That is, again, an LG product. So we're really excited to show you this second bedroom. So 2 bed, 2 bath. It's a toy hauler that we can really kind of tweak that back and make that work for you. So let's go ahead and pop back over there. So this is going to be a dual function area. This is a bedroom, but it's also going to have a workspace in addition. So if there's other, schoolwork or anything that needs to be done, this was really created for that individual. So we've got a hangout area with this jackknife sofa with storage drawers below, so they can chill, watch TV, whatever. So you've got an actual sitting space in your bedroom, which is quite nice. Above, you've got storage, overheads, anywhere we could put those. We did a dual entry into the loft. It really opens up that loft space. This is where that individual is going to be sleeping up there. It just really creates a nice open area for them. On the opposite side, again, storage wherever we can, and then a desk that sets here. We've got a full wardrobe for any clothes storage with drawers below. So I said 2 bed, 2 bath because this particular model has a full bath in the rear. So this garage is it's 11.8, but you can see still I have a lot of room to work around in here. I've got a full bath in here. I've got desk, wardrobe, a place to hang out. I mean, it really, you can pack a lot into these spaces if you think it out. So if you come forward, got door out from the garage into the coach, directly into your full bath. So this has a corner shower, little bit of a vanity sink and a toilet area. And we added a nice full length mirror in here as well. Again, solid core doors on both. So you've got your actual door going into the living room, really shuts the space off and makes it quite private. Plus, she's got a beautiful patio off the back. So I touched briefly on our full body paint job. It is a triple clear coat on that, no decals, wet sand and buffed. That is something that is your choice as to which colors. As long as it's an OEM automotive code, we can usually accomplish matching something like that to your truck or whatever, you know, if you want to match a vehicle that goes in the toy hauler, maybe we could do that for you as well. This particular model was optioned with the window silks. That's a 3M coating that they'll put onto the actual window in order to blend in that paint job. It's aesthetically pleasing, but it also does have a function. It cuts down about 50% of the UV rays that come into that coach. So that's kind of the purpose, is to block those UV rays. All of our fender skirting that we do is going to be all metal. All of the transition between that fiberglass and the metal skirt is going to be covered. We're not going to have any exposed screws all along the side here. Again, even your wheel skirt is going to be metal as well. On the actual floor construction and what we do, above any of the tires on the floor, we're going to put an aluminum flashing all along to help to protect from the road debris. We're going to be running with what's very safe with something this size. So you're going to have Dexter Torflex independent suspension standard on the toy hauler series, hydraulic disc brakes, H-rated tires, good tires. We're also going to be able to option MORryde independent suspension and air ride suspension through Kelderman, our upgrades available on our models. This is the secondary entrance into the toy hauler area. We've got an additional awning up above that. You've got keyless entry and the step above entry stair optioned. The ramp door, which we were kind of standing on earlier, is right here. Really quick, easy to let down. It's hydraulic lift assist. I can easily put that up or down by myself. So it's also got that additional twist lock to it to help mechanically secure. Got a rear awning, nice bright lights up above, 4-camera system. The ladder is the side ladder that folds out for you to be able to walk up onto the roof. The roof's a one-piece seamless TPO membrane. The material on that has a lifetime warranty. You've got your fuel pump for your fuel. This one has diesel on board because we did do a diesel generator. I can do that gas. I can do a combination gas diesel. It's traditionally a 20-gallon for the generator, 40-gallon auxiliary. Power cord reel. You can see upstairs in that loft area, she's got her own escape window, and then it's also going to let that natural light in up there. If you option to not have that whole bed up front, we can take that window out and make it a little baby storage loft for all that extra stuff, but not take away some of the real estate in the garage if you want. All of our slide rooms are going to be completely flush mount. And what I mean by that is once that slide room goes in, it's going to actually physically sit inside this pan, which is one of the reasons that our Luxe looks so beautiful going down the road, because there's really seamless look to them as they ride. We'll also have a triple seal. So you're going to have a bulb seal with this seal sweep, same style on the interior wall, and then also on the exterior wall, and then you'll have a bulb seal here. Once the room's closed, no exposed seals, so if you're storing it, you know, for the winter, you're not going to have UV rays beating down on that. Another benefit of having a full body paint job is having a consistent UV coating throughout the coach. All of our walls are going to be 3 inches thick, so we'll build with a vacuum bond lamination. Your side wall is going to be consisted of a really nice thick gel coat fiberglass mounted on Asdel. That product is 100% moisture resistant, mildew resistant, it's formaldehyde free as well. And then we go a second step, and the interior block foam we use is going to be closed cell foam. So that's going to be graphite infused closed cell foam. So it's not going to ever, again, retain or wick any moisture. It's not going to break down over time, settle in the sidewalls. It's actually proven to stay true to our value over time. Then we take that on the interior wallboard and vacuum bond laminate it. So put adhesive in between each individual layer and suck out every little bit of air like a space bag, which is something you might be familiar with. But that's really what's going to set us apart in the industry, among a multitude of things. But the walls are so important because of the structure that's in there. Literally everything is framed out. We're all double welded in that aluminum framing, a very solid structure in the walls. You've got access to your fridge should you need to get in here and disconnect that water line for winterization. This unit was optioned with the slide room paint, so it's got that design that continues along the end walls, as you see as well, have gone around. Got your furnace vent. You've got dual furnaces optioned on this one. It's going to have the Arctic package. We'll insulate each individual PEX line as well with that and add an additional heat pad to that freshwater tank. You've got 12-volt heat pads on each individual tank. It's got the MORryde tray slide with all the goodies in it. Access to the back of your water box. You got everything kind of labeled here. Your pulls for your cable, for your gray and black tank, your low point drains. You've got a black tank flush as well in here. We step forward into this area. You can kind of peek back and see how tidy and nice that they do their work. They really try and stay pretty clean with the wiring, all the venting, all of your plumbing. This has a 3-stage filter on board. 2 40-pound tanks, one on either side. You've got the Truma AquaGo hot water heater. It is on demand, LP fueled. This is access to your leveling jacks. Your leveling jacks are going to be equalizer leveling. They're going to have individual hydraulic hoses. They're all going to be home run all the way up to the front of the pump and color coded as well. So up front, you're going to house your batteries, your generator, your brake actuator. You've got the diesel gen I spoke of. Can option that as well with the 8.0. Your hydraulic pump for the jacks. We're going to have a one-piece seamless front cap, all fiberglass. Again, it's all painted. Gen Y series will be standard on this particular model. That is the hitch pin that we're using on it. Pretty well sums it up, other than maybe she's got the slide room toppers on this as well, in addition to the awning. So that would be maybe one thing I didn't mention. And then you can see that the actual washer dryers vented to the outside, the microwaves vented to the outside. So we make sure to do that for you. I would really appreciate you guys give us a call, maybe give us your ideas for a second bedroom. I know we get requests for that a lot. We can really kind of work with you and make it work for your lifestyle. So please give us a call, and thank you.